Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your contacts from Android to an iPhone. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you want to ensure that you link all your contacts or save them to your Gmail. So that Gmail that you're using on your Android device, as I've said earlier, you want to ensure that all your contacts are linked or saved to it. So when you add that Gmail to your iPhone, all your contacts that were linked will automatically roll over. And I know this will work for sure because this is what I did to get all my contacts from my Android to my iPhone device. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video useful or if you liked this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.